Hello guys, welcome to another video on my 2014 Arctic Cat ZR7000. In this video I will talk about a problem that I have since I bought it. If you remember from the previous video, I bought this machine obviously used since we're in 2021, almost 22. And I bought it last spring, so I haven't tried it much, but thing that bothering me that I noticed straight away is every time I start the machine, it starts on reverse. And after some research, I found out that by default, the machine, every time you stop it, you hear the motor from the reverse engaging, and it's to ensure that when you start the machine, it starts in forward position, not in reverse. So from the research I've did, apparently if it's starting on reverse, it's because someone played with the reverse motor in this area and installed something wrong, not the right way, or apparently I need to turn the motor from 180 degrees. It's all information I found on forums. So far I found no video whatsoever on this problem, so I'm doing one and I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, or apart from the pieces, small pieces of information I found it on forums. So I already disconnected all the harness here. There are 4 bolts that holding the motor. So I will remove it because you cannot mix match the wire. There's only 2 wires, there's only one position to connect this, so you cannot mix match them. So I will see what happening when I open the motor. Now my camera battery is dying, so I will stop recording, but I will update you as soon as I will have removed this motor. And if something bad happened, I will update you as well, so you don't do it the same way I did. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I found the problem. So it was not flipping the entire thing that was a solution, but was just flipping the cover here. This little piece, I won't remove it because you can see it's detachable, or it can be removed, and you have the brushes from the motor. I hope you can see clearly. I will put you under the light here. You can see the brushes from the motor. So this is what was mounting, not upside down, but on the wrong way. So I basically have to turn only the motor 120 degrees from that mount. I will show you because it's not a big deal. Need to remove the bushing here first. Okay, so what happened is, try not to put some grease on the brushes. You can see here where the brushes are rubbing on the motor. Okay, so now I need the sticker to face here. Okay, so this is what was mounted wrong on the motor. Let's say the connector go this way on the machine, so it was like that with the black face, and the pole were reversed. The pole were reversed on the brushes here. So by flipping the motor 180 degrees, I switched the pole between brushes. Now the left one become the right one, and the right one become the left one. So by doing that, when I turn off the machine, I still hear the motor engaging, but engaging to make sure the gear is on forward. So I will put it back together, and I will try to show you, because now I get a grinding sound, but it's probably because I didn't mount that gear here, or that vice not the right way. So I will put it back here. So again, on the machine, the connector is supposed to be on the right, and in my case I need to see the sticker on the motor so I know it's facing the right direction. I don't know if it will be the same for your model, but for me it's a good indication that if I don't see the sticker, it's not installed properly. So I need to see the sticker. So I will mount it right now. It's pretty easy. You obviously need to be careful not to put some grease on the brushes. And when you're sitting on the base of the motor, just take a flat screwdriver to make, sorry, I cannot show you in the same time, but you need to take a flat screwdriver and push on the brushes so they get on each side of the motor. They get at their place finally, you know. So yeah, now I believe you still can see the brushes through the light. I push them at their place. So now don't forget to put back the little bushing here. I will put it back here. Need to get in straight. There you go. Now you can see my bushing is at the right position. So again, this go that way on the machine, the gear inside the chain case. So don't move that. So I need to see the sticker, and now I will try to there you go. Gearing is too hard, so I cannot really spin the motor by there, but feel at the right position. I will mount it back and I will update you as soon as it will be at the right mount back on the machine. Okay guys, so everything is put back together. It's supposed to work well now. I hope I won't have any grinding sound anymore, but let's see. I will start it. It's on forward. Now it's on reverse. It's supposed to click, but stay on forward. Let's start it again, and just to see if it's starting it forward, but I think I nailed it. There you go guys, that was the problem. The motor was 180 degree on the wrong position, and not the complete thing, just the motor on the brushes set. So if you have any question, don't hesitate and post it in the comment section below, because it might not be super clear. I don't have my proper tripod to hold the camera, my battery is dying, so I might kind of miss some important information. But if you don't understand how I did it, just post your question in the comment section and I will answer to it as soon as possible, because I'm sure I'm not the only one with that problem, and it's easy to put it back the wrong way, even if you should mark your stuff before dismantling anything. But anyway, now it's working, and it's, after you know what to do, it's kind of a 5-minute fix. So if you have this problem, I hope this will help you. This probably happened when the previous owner did a last weight change on the chain case, he probably mounted the wrong way. So anyway, I hope it's helped, and this is it for now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.